Namaste. Welcome to Diabetic Control with Yoga Part 1. Diabetes is a common metabolic and lifestyle disorder caused due to insufficient production of insulin. Yoga provides abilities to manage everyday stress and control diabetes definitely in few months. Let's begin with Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, raise your hands and lift your kneecaps. Stay steady, focused on your mind. This prepares your mind and body for further asanas. Exhale, come down. Next, revolving triangle posture, Parivritta Trikonasana. This asana creates twist near abdomen which massages your inner abdomen organs. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Stretch your hands. Exhale. Twist and place your left hand on your right foot. Inhale while coming up. Next, triangle posture, Trikonasana. Exhale, bend to your left, raise your right hand upwards. Inhale and come back. Repeat it on the other side. Now, side angle posture, Parsva Konasana. Inhale and raise your right hand upwards. Exhale and bend your left knee and gently bend to the left side. Rest your left arm on your thigh. Stay steady with focused even breathing. For more flexible, can place your palm on the floor. To come out, inhale and gently release. Now, Uttanasana, intense forward stretch posture. Exhale, bend forward and move your head close to your knees. Please observe me carefully. Try to do as much as you can. Asanas massage the abdomen, increase gastric fire, burn and dissolve excess sugar, regulate the functions of liver and pancreas. They also avoid blocks in the coronary arteries, improve digestion, functions of the kidney and lungs. Next, Prasarita Padottanasana, intense leg stretch posture. Exhale, stretch forward and rest your head on the floor with your palms on either side. This asana is called semi-inverted asana as it promotes partial reversal of many organs. Those who cannot practice Shirshasana can practice this asana. Please observe me carefully. Avoid postures that cause discomfort and pain. Come out of the asana and sit in squat posture with relaxed movements. Take deep inhalations and exhalations. Slowly rise up with little bend. Inhale, relax. Next, Parsva Uttanasana, intense side stretch posture. Inhale, rise up, relax, inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, bend forward. Please observe me carefully. Inhale, come up. Now, cow and cat variations, Shashankasana and Mandukasana. Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Inhale. Sit in Vajrasana. Set your gaze for Mandukasana. Exhale. Place your palms on your pelvis. Bend forward. Mandukasana. Stay steady with even breathing. Relax. Inhale, come out. Some inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Brahma Mudra. Place on your pelvis. Exhale. Bend forward. These asanas play a key role in diabetic therapy. Please observe me carefully. Inhale, come out. Inhale, exhale. Now, Shashankasana, Bhujangasana. Inhale, exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Shashankasana and Bhujangasana movements. Relax with Shashankasana. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, Adho Mukha Vajrasana. Relax pose. Inhale, rise up, relax. Next, Baddha Konasana, bound angle posture. Butterfly movements. This asana stretches open hips, pelvis and release the hidden potential energy. Adho Mukha Baddha Konasana. Stay steady. Focus on your breath. Now, Marichayasana, simple spinal twist posture. Sitting asanas awaken, restructure, realign and strengthen the hips, pelvic and abdominal areas. They enhance flexibility, remove tensions, congestions and imbalances. Please observe me carefully. Now, Ardha Mattyendrasana, half spinal twist posture. Try to do as much as you can. Try to increase your level of practice day by day. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Now, Janu Sirsasana, head to knee posture and variation exercises and also counter postures and variations exercises. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and stretch forward and grasp your foot. Rest your forehead on your knee. Inhale, come out and counter posture exercises. And relax your hamstrings. Repeat it on other side. This asana enhances functioning of lungs, heart and abdominal pelvic organs, relieves anxiety, depression, migraine, back pain, diabetes, hemorrhoids, high and low BP, and also prostate, menstrual and menopausal problems, reduce body weight, excess fat in the abdomen, controls overeating. Do not stretch in haste and cause muscle resistance and pain. Relax. Ardha Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana. Bow posture. This asana resembles a bow, hence the name. The hands form the string of a bow that pulls the trunk and the legs up. Do not apply force and pull your legs up. You may hurt your joint and muscles. This asana relieves diabetes, hemorrhoids, menstrual and menopausal problems, and enhances lung capacity, elasticity of the spine, stimulates abdomen, relieves asthma, back pain, shoulder pain, ankle and leg pains. Inhale, exhale, relax. Relax. Simple inhalations and exhalations. Relaxation is most important after completion of yoga sequence. Focus inwards. Infuse relaxation through conscious breathing. Supine relaxation. This asana is called Shantasana, Shavasana or corpse posture. It creates stillness inside and prepares for a graceful surrender to the inner divinity. Let's meet again in Diabetic Control with Yoga Part 2. Thank you.